Ambassador Brenna, and I just got a very exciting package from Justice. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! It's a unicorn cover-up. I want to know what the next thing is. Let's check. It is a unicorn float. Let's see what the next thing is. It's a narwhal beach towel. That's cool. I'm definitely gonna wear this on my birthday. Let's see what's next. Whoa, what's this? It's a watermelon float. Got even more. What's in here? There's sunglasses, I think. There's sunglasses. Look at the lens. It's a rainbow. And they're glittery. Jeez! Even more sunglasses. I like these ones the best. Let's see what's next. Whoa! We were looking at this! It's the best friend, the twin thingy, the twin float. Yeah, that's what it's called. Twin float, you can put your best friend on each side. We are looking at this. So now we got 2 floats and unicorn balls. We got 4 fabulous unicorn horns. Whoa! Let's see what's next. Whoa! There's 4 more fabulous unicorn horns, but it's different. I definitely want one of these. Now all my friends can have one, because there's exactly 12. They're unicorn flip-flops.